What's happening, guys? It's Vowel TV, Team R for you. Well, we're back again, and what I'm doing this time around is nice, easy job. It should take you no more than about 10 minutes, right? We're going to change. We're going to replace the door check strap. That's what we're replacing, the rear door check strap on a 2011-12 kind of thing. Kia Carens. It's pretty much similar on all Kias. It should be similar on all Kia and everything. I mean, on most cars, it's the same principle. It's just that different cars have different method of taking the door card off. This car is dead easy. Should take you no more than 5 minutes to take the door card off, 5 minutes to take the check strap off. Happy days, let's do it, let's go. Right, that's what we're replacing, guys, the check strap. It's only 3 bolts basically to take off, to take the strap off itself. That 2 10mm bolts here, one here, and one 12mm bolt there. Take them 3 off, it should come out. The only downside is we have to take the door panel off, door card off, and yeah, let's get on with it, let's do it. First things first, we're going to take, it's supposed to have a little flap here, but this one hasn't got it, so happy days for me. We're going to take that Phillips off. There's another Phillips in there, behind there. If we just get a flat screwdriver or a little pick or something, take that little cover off. Yep, as you can see there, there's another Phillips there. Take that one off and take that one off, and there's one more I'll show you in a minute. After we've taken this one off, we've took that one off. Get that little plastic piece out of the way before we lose it. There's one more right where the speaker is, right just there. Take that little cover off. There's another Phillips behind that. Take that off. Okay, we've taken that one off, guys, the one next to the speaker. We've took that one off, and we've took that one off. This little panel should come straight off if we just flick the handle that way, and then that comes straight off. Now what we do is we give the panel a little pry with a, you know, the like door card removal tool. If you haven't got a door card removal tool, just flat screwdriver will, no, that's a Phillips screwdriver, sorry. Flat screwdriver underneath, give it a little pry, that should come straight out. I'll try demonstrating with my left hand while I've got the camera in the other hand. Just 1 second. So I'm going to go underneath here, right in the middle center. Just try getting that in there somewhere. Right, and just literally just give it a little pry like that. That's it. Another pry here. All the way around. The panel should come straight out. Very hard to do this one hand, guys, but I will soldier on. Right, that panel's off now. What you need to do now is we need to go around this side here, take that plug off, which goes onto the window switch. Take that off, move this panel out of the way, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, now that we have taken the door card off, okay, what we need to do is, most cars, what's going to happen is you're not going to have this, okay? On this car, you've got this door, another panel there. Basically, with the window mechanism, the window regulator goes onto this panel on the opposite side. So on this car, what we need to do is we need to take the speaker off, okay? You might have screws here, 4 little screws all the way around the speaker, or you might have rivets, like I've got rivets, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the rivets out, take that speaker off, and then we can get our hands in there and get to this door strap, get to this check strap. We've drilled the rivets out, 4 rivets, and we can get our hands in there now. Dead easy, get your hands in there. What we can do now is take this 12mm off, right? Take these 2 10mm off, and that should come straight out. Right, these bolts are off, that one's off, them 2 are off. All we do now is put our hands through there and get to that nice and easy, guide it out. Happy days. Let's get the new one on. Let's go. It's not rocket science, just guide it through there, then through that hole there, line it up, put them 2 bolts on, put that bolt on, job done. Happy days. There we have it, guys. That's back on. I'm going to put the speaker back on. Obviously If you can get some rivets in there, get some rivets in there. If you can't get any rivets in there, make some few, you know, screw holes on the side here, on the side here. Get some self tappers in there. That should be all right. And just fit it in reverse order. Let's finish it off. Let's go, guys. Well, that's it, guys. Job done. Dead easy job. Took me 10 minutes. I mean, if you just go at it, right, it'll take you no more than 10 minutes. Yeah, nice and easy job. I mean, this is the Kia Carens 2011-12 kind of thing. It might be possibly the same on the Kia Ceed, Kia, you know, all the other Kias. Most cars, the same principle, right? You take the door card off. There's only 2 bolts on there, right, and 1 bolt holding it against the pillar. Yeah, and only the other difference is on some cars you won't have the inner panel. Some cars you will have the inner panel. You know, it varies. Anyway, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will see you guys soon.